Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am going to be doing an unboxing. I got my box from HC Silver and Stone from, it's a friend of mine that I met through Instagram and YouTube, that has her own Etsy shop, which is called HC Silver and Stone, and I will list the link down below. So the box came, and I don't want to show because the label, so I'm going to open it. So that's what it's looking like so far. I was having a hard time figuring this box out. Okay, so I'm just ripping it open. Alright, so this is my receipt. And it says thank you, little sticker and tissue paper. Okay. Christine, thank you for your purchase. This was one of the first rings I ever made. I've come a long way since then, so if you aren't happy with it, let me know and I will get another one made for you. Heidi. P.S. I put it in an extra pretty for your altar. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And I know I'm going to love it. So I want to show you guys. Look how cute she packages the little boxes they come in. They're so cute. Oh, let me rip the little tapies. Okay. And a little piece of tissue paper. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that. It's a moonstone. Ah, that's just gorgeous. Look at the craftsmanship. So, oh my gosh. I could wear it on my ring or my first finger. Beautiful. Heidi, I love it. It is absolutely gorgeous. The camera does not do it justice. Look how pretty that stone is. Wow. Okay, where's the box? I keep all her stuff in these little cute boxes because they're just too cute to put in my curiosity cabinet. I have the earrings that she made that I purchased in there. And then she sent me a pretty for my altar. Oh, look, it's all wrapped up. Okay, I hate to rip up this paper, but... Ooh. Oh, and it's fluorite. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. I love fluorite. It's something that resonates with my energy. The camera is not doing it justice. There we go. Ah, it's beautiful. Thank you, Heidi. A little fluorite bracelet. Yay. Okay, and here's a little cleaning cloth for the jewelry. And this is her card. It's HG Silver and Stone, handcrafted silver jewelry. And there's the shop. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Heidi, for the extra gifts. I really appreciate it. And this will go right on my altar. This is absolutely beautiful. And this ring is stunning. You did a perfect job. And I'm glad that I got a piece from early on. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, that is just so gorgeous. Look at that. I love moonstone. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, Heidi. I appreciate it so much. The extra little gift and the card, I will cherish that. That'll go in my cabinet. And I will share her Etsy shop down below. Um, I think her prices are absolutely fantastic for the craftsmanship that goes into that. Like I said, I bought earrings from her that I've showed numerous times in my videos, and they're stunning. They're made beautifully. And everything, I mean, just go on her Etsy store and check out some of the pieces that she's made. I have my eye on one that looks like a goddess. It's a pendant. And as soon as I can afford one, I will be buying one of those. So, you guys have a wonderful day. And once again, Heidi, thank you so much for the extra gift. And I really appreciate you and your friendship and your craftsmanship. I mean, for you to be going from you just to create the jewelry that I've seen you create on your Etsy shop is just amazing how much your craft has grown and your techniques have changed. It's just been an amazing journey to watch. So, you guys have a great day. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.